Being an entrepreneur can be scary sometimes. You hear stories of how glamorous it is, but entrepreneurs know the struggles and hardships they have to go through just to get what they want. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 scariest entrepreneur stories. But before I do, please remember to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to be notified when new videos are posted. Number 1, being sued. The number one thing entrepreneurs are scared of is being sued. When you start providing a service or a product to the public, there is always a chance that someone will try to sue you for whatever reason. There is nothing scarier than being served a lawsuit. You might think it's frivolous, but stranger things have happened in a court of law, and it might not turn out in your favor. To protect yourself, make sure you seek help from a lawyer. Always keep your business and your personal finances separate. If you have a brick and mortar business, make sure you maintain the proper insurance. When you're starting your business, just assume that you will be sued at some point and take the appropriate precautions before it actually happens. Number 2, leaving your day job. No one wants to leave a job that is bringing in guaranteed money that pays the bills. But at some point, the decision will have to be made to quit your day job and focus full-time on your business. While leaving the safety and comfort of your day job is extremely scary and risky, if your business is able to keep up with the day-to-day bills and pay you what you need to survive, then it might be worth it to see what happens. I know people who were not given the opportunity to leave their day job. They were told by their boss that their services were no longer required. That caused them to think outside the box and either find a job that they will hate or become an entrepreneur and see where the road leads. Either scenario can be scary, but it can also be rewarding. Number 3, the company you were working with closed their doors. A lot of people I talk to are affiliate marketers, so they're promoting someone else's products and making a commission. This happens time and time again. The owner can shut down their company due to lack of funds to keep it going, or perhaps they decided they want their business to go in another direction. Whatever the reason, if you're an affiliate and this was your main source of income, then you just found out the hard way that putting all of your time, effort, and money into one company is never a good idea. Always have multiple streams of income to avoid losing money in the long run. There is nothing scarier than losing a 6-figure income when your sole income provider is no longer available. Number 4, getting scammed out of money. Unfortunately, a lot of people fall into this category. There are a lot of scammers out there, and if you are promoting a legitimate product or service, some of your customers will cry scam because that is what society has taught us to do. Scammers can be hard to identify. They can appear to be legitimate until they start asking you for more and more money, and then you don't see anything in return. There is nothing scarier than realizing you've lost tens of thousands of dollars on something that was not legitimate. To protect yourself, research the company or product online and see what other people are saying about it. Type in scam, complaint, or review. Read all the posts and then make a decision if it's legitimate or not. Never send money or give your personal information to someone you don't know who sends you a text, calls you on the phone, or sends you an email. Also, never pay in advance for services like credit loans, debt relief, or mortgage assistance. Above all, don't pay with wire transfers, cash, or checks. Use credit cards because they have fraud protection built in. Don't use reloadable cards or gift cards. Those cannot be tracked, and they don't have any fraud protection. Companies who are honest will not require you to use these payment methods. Number 5, Amazon shuts you down. If you're selling Amazon products on your website, this might have already happened to you, or it can still happen. Amazon can shut your seller account down if you're not selling enough product or your customer approval rating falls below a certain number. I know a lot of people who are selling Amazon products, and when it is 60 to 70% of their entire business, this can be scary. It can hurt a business in a way they cannot recover. The overall lesson is never give people money until you've done your research, and never put all your eggs in one basket. If you're an affiliate, don't choose one platform or company as your only source of income. There may come a time when that company is gone and there's nothing you can do about it. There you go. I've given you 5 of the scariest entrepreneur stories and some tips to make sure you don't become a victim yourself. I hope you got some value out of today's video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like and comment below, and remember to subscribe and click the bell to be notified when new videos are posted. I'll see you in the next video.